So you've decided to hire an assistant. What is the most important document that you need to have before you get started and start advertising? Well, you've heard the conversation about ROI, return on investment. Today, I want to talk about return on time investment. So ROTI. So before you start the process of hiring, you really need to have a job description. That is the most important piece of this process. So why would you need a job description? And what are the benefits of a job description? Well, first of all, the job description is a list of all the duties and the tasks and the things that your assistant is going to be doing for you. And it's going to also list the skills and attributes of what that person is going to be like and the skills and attributes that they're going to need for that particular job. So I've listed 7 benefits or 7 different reasons how you could use a job description. First of all, you can use it to place the ad. Candidates are going to look at the ad to determine if they should apply for this position. So knowing what all the tasks and the duties and the type of person you're looking for is going to make it easier for you to actually create the ad to post. Second of all, it is going to help you determine what the skills and attributes are. So, for example, let's say that you need somebody who can answer the phones or can make cold calls or call your sphere of influence. One of the attributes that you're going to look for and that you're going to advertise for is somebody who can actually make those calls and not be afraid to pick up the phone. Another attribute might be that if you need somebody to do data input on a regular basis and sit at a desk and do data input, you're going to look for the person who can stay focused and move through a process and complete it and have mistakes at a minimum. So that's what I'm talking about as far as attributes, skills and attributes. Now the next thing that you can use it for is cross-training. Let's say that you're going to cross-train another assistant for the position. You can actually use it as a list. You can also use it to train your brand new assistant. You can use it as a checklist as you go through the process. As you're going through the first 90 days, you can set the priorities of what you're going to train them on. Another way you can use this is a procedure manual. So this is the genesis of your policies and procedure manual or your procedure manual. You can actually have your assistant create the how to do those specific items that are on that task list or that job description. So you can also use this for the annual review process. You know, what are the things that they're doing well? What are the things that they need improvement on? What are the things that have just dropped off the table that aren't being done that you need to reintroduce at the annual review? And last, number 7. So this is a living document that actually can be changed, updated, and used as you grow your business. So it's something that you can use on a regular basis. So how do you get the job description or how do you create it? What's the easiest way to do that? Well, I find the easiest way to do that is just to make a list of all the things that I do and look and see what are the key items that I need to keep track of, that I'm the one that's going to be doing. Then I actually highlight the areas that I'm going to hand off that I can have somebody else to do and somebody else I can delegate to. So highlight those areas and those become part of the job description. So once you make your list, you create the job description, you can start placing ads and looking for your next great assistant. So if you take the time to actually create the job description ahead of time before you start looking for your assistant, you will get a return on your time investment. Remember I said the return, ROTI? Well, this is where you will get it. You can repurpose the job description over and over and over again.